Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a lab assignment for the Introduction to GIS Programming course. If you go to the course website and then on the homepage here, you should be able to find the link. So for submitting the lab assignment, you only need to do that if you are enrolled in this course. All the course materials and also all the video recordings are freely available, and you don't need to enroll in this course to learn the materials. But if you want to submit the lab assignments and get feedback and also check your grades and also get a certificate after you complete this course, you can either enroll here. So if you are students outside the university, then you can enroll in here, but you do need to pay a fee to enroll because the university charges tech fees for students enroll in this class. So if you're interested in, you can enroll in here. But if you are not something that you're interested in, you are welcome to just check out the materials and the video and do the lab exercise. So for the lab assignment, it's also freely available in here, but you need to basically do it on your own. If you want to submit lab assignments and get grades and earn certificate, then register. Or if you're a student at the University of Tennessee, they have already enrolled in the class, then you also have access to a campus site. So once you have registered, then you should have get access to this Canvas website. This is where you can access some of the materials, and also we can submit the lab assignments from here. So on the left side, there's assignments menu. And so throughout the semester, we're going to have from lab 1 all the way to lab 10, and also we're going to have a final project. So when you start ready to do the lab assignment, you can come here and you can click the lab 1. So the lab 1, all the materials are also posted on the website here. So you're welcome to come to the website to start working on the lab assignments. And so to submit the lab assignment, you only need just hyperlinks. So after you finish your lab assignment and just share the link on Google Colab, then just copy the link to here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate the link. So you need to pay attention, because if the link is not accessible to me, I cannot give you the grade. So you can also leave a comment in here. I will show you later. So right now, let's get back to this lab assignments. For example, for that one, so there are two ways you can do the lab assignments. You can either using Google Colab, or you can do it locally. So I'm going to show you two ways. So the easiest way would be just opening Google Colab. So what you can do is right click, open this one on Google Colab. And then, so the first step is to log into your Google account. So just click sign in. Then if you already log into your Google account, it should automatically log you in. After that, I would recommend that you copy this one to your Google Drive. So just click file and then save a copy in Drive. Then it's automatically copy the lab one to your Google Drive, because if you otherwise, once you close this tab, it's gone. So the file will be lost. So what you can do is to actually find out where this file is located. So it's going to automatically rename it as copy of lab one, for example. Then on here, click the file, then locate in Drive. So if you click this one, it should take you to your Google Drive. And all the notebook we save under your Drive, and also there's a folder called Collect Notebooks. And you find this one here. So it's up to you. You can save all the files in here. So usually for me, I can just maybe just rename the file to whatever name you like. So lab 1. And after that, you can come here to refresh. It should right now change the file name. So in here, you can start doing the lab assignments, just following instructions. And you can start typing code. For example, I can just type print hello world. And then you can start executing the code. So just write the following instructions, finish the assignment. Once you are done, then I would recommend just runtime, restart and run all. So in this way, you basically start from the beginning to the end. So this is the answer. This is just an example, so not necessarily the answer. And so after you finish load the lab sign, just restart runtime and then restart section and run all. So in this way, if your code can run from the beginning to the end successfully, that means you are good to go. All right. So once you're done with this step, save all the files already saved on Google Drive. So what you need to do is just come here, upper right corner, click share, and then from this one, you just change to any one with the link, okay? Otherwise, I cannot access your file, then I cannot grade your assignment. So what you need to do here is just come here and then just copy the link and done. Before you paste the URL, I would recommend that you open, for example, Chrome incognito mode and paste the URL here, hit enter. Make sure that you can open the link and you can see the things that you wrote. Otherwise, if I cannot open the link, that means the link is not accessible. So this is just a good practice to check before you submit the lab assignment. So finish all the questions and then get the URL. And after that, you can come back to the lab one here on inside Canvas. Then just enter this URL and you can just click submit a lower right corner here, submit assignments. If you have any comments, you're also welcome to leave a comment. For example, this is sometimes if you need to provide any specific information in the lab assignments, or if there's something that you want me to know, you can leave a comment, right? This is if it's just for submission, then you don't really need to, okay? But this is a note, something like that, and then send comments, right? So I will be able to see the comments, or if there's any specific things you want me to pay attention to, you can do that as well. And after that, just click submit assignments, and you're good to go. So and then you can just wait for me to finish the grading. Then you can check your grade. So after you finish all the lab assignment and also the final project, then once you pass the requirements, then a certificate will be automatically generated and sent to you. So this is how you can submit the lab assignments using Google Colab. The second way is to download this one to your computer. So what you can do here is to click, for example, this download icon, and then .ipynb, and it should pop up. So you can download this one to your computer, for example. And after this downloaded, then you can open this one using Visual Studio Code or Jupyter Lab, whichever you prefer, and just double click. Right. So same thing here. You can start writing code and finish it. For example, hello world. Okay, and then try it out and run it. Select the kernel that you like. So again, after you finish all the lab assignment, just clear all the outputs and restart, run all. So make sure that your source code runs successfully from the beginning to the end, and then just Control S. All right. So once it's done, then the notebook is finished. So you also need to upload this one back to your Google Drive. So I would recommend in here, under my Google Drive, I will usually maybe just create a specific folder, for example, labs, something like this. And then inside here, you can just drag this file, upload this one to Google Drive. And it's not finished yet. You might notice in here, right now, the icon is just like a book. Compared to the previous one, you see this Google Colab icon. So right now for this file, don't just right click and then share and then copy the link and share. This will not work. For example, if I just do it this way and then copy the link, okay. Again, open incognito mode, paste the URL. So if the notebook doesn't open, if I cannot see the content, that means the link is not working. So this is not the right way. What you need to do is to double click, open this one, and then you can save a copy in Drive. So you need to do it again. So save a copy in Drive. Then it should copy this file. So you should be able to see another one here. Right now, this is the one. So when you need to submit the lab assignment, make sure that within Google Drive, you can see this icon. Okay, otherwise it's not right. So what you can do is I'm going to drag this one back into here. Then you can start deleting this one. Okay. After that, again, rename the file. You can add a name if you want to. So right now, this is the one that when you double click, it should open that in Google Drive. Okay. And upper right corner here, again, click share. Anyone with the link, and then copy the URL. Done. One more time here. If I paste this one incognito mode, so right now I should be able to see all the content. So what you need is this thing. Again, make sure you double check before you submit the lab assignment. So once you copy the link, then you can go to Canvas. Again, I'm going to go to assignment. Also for the lab assignments, you can submit as many times as you want. It's unlimited. So I can actually upload right corner here, click new attempt, and then I can submit this one again. So you notice in here, these two links are kind of different. But if this is something you want, if you notice some errors, you want to fix it, you can do that. You can do that as many times as you want before I give you the grade. After the grade is graded, then there's no point of submitting again. So click submit assignment, then you are done. So after that, you should be able to, after finish the grading, then you can come here, see the grade. You'll be able to check all your grades in here. Once you your total points reach the requirement, then you will get the certificate. All right, so this is how you can submit the lab assignment. If you run into any issues, if you have any questions, then you can go to the repository. Under here, there's a discussion, and you're welcome to just log into your GitHub account. Then you can start upper right there. There should be a new discussion, so you can, just like other people in here, asking questions. So if you have any questions about the course, about the lab assignment, you can submit in here. And as I mentioned earlier, you only need to submit the lab assignment if you have enrolled in this course. If you just looking at the content and also the video, you don't need this one. You don't need to submit the lab assignment because you won't have to, you don't have access to Canvas. Okay, so that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.